Hey guys, for today's video, I will show you how to use Shopify for order management. You can navigate to the order section on the left-hand menu to view and manage your orders. The section includes three subsections. Orders, which displays all of your live orders, both fulfilled and unfulfilled. Drops, refers to orders that have been initiated but not yet. Additionally, abandoned checkouts are instances where customers have initiated the checkout process by adding items to their cart and entering their email but have not followed through with payment. To have the option to send a cart reminder email to customers who have abandoned their cart in a high conversion rate, to do this, simply click on the cart recovery email using the email address provided. You can then customize the message with the subject line "Complete your purchase," already pre-filled. This is a pre-existing template for cart reminders emails that can be modified under notifications, and this is the email that will be sent to the customer. From the order screen, you can view the list of your paid orders, including both fulfilled and unfulfilled ones. At the top of the page, you can view statistics related to your product. These include the number of orders, which within those orders returns and fulfilled orders. To keep your orders organized, you might find it helpful to add tags, which can be filtered from under more filters. You can also choose to archive orders once they have been completed. By archiving an order, it will no longer appear under the open order list. There are several filtering options available on the screen to help you sort through your orders. While there are many filtering options available, some of the most useful ones include selecting unfulfilled items if you want to fulfill orders. This will give you a list of unfulfilled items that you can work through. After fulfilling your items, you may want to consider archiving them so that they do not appear in your order open search. You can further your filter items by fulfillment status, chargeback, and risk level. Chargebacks occur when a customer disputes a transaction with their credit card provider. On this page, you can view the status of any chargeback as well as the fund restore level, which is calculated by Shopify. It is a good practice to check the risk level of any order before fulfilling it. Orders with a low risk level are generally safe to fulfill, while those with a medium risk level may require further investigation. If an order has a risk level, it may be best to cancel it. You can use the Save View button to save a specific view for future use. If you want to sell all unfulfilled or paid orders with a low risk level that are still open, you can save that view and quickly access it to every day. You can easily filter for specific items by selecting the appropriate criteria. For instance, if you want to view orders that have ready to ship, you can save a view with the name and access on the top of the page. Orders are automatically generated from connected sales channels, but you can also create manual orders by clicking on the Create Order button. To do this, you'll need to search for the products you want to include in order, such as soap made by your daughter. Once you have selected a product, you can adjust the quantity and price as needed. You'll also need to assign customer to the order by entering their information, including their shipping address and contact details. If the customer is subject to taxes, they will be applied automatically. And to create an order in Shopify, you can either send an invoice, which will be saved as drafts, or collect payment. Payment collection can be done by calling the customer for their credit card details or marking the item as paid. Once an order is marked as paid, it will appear in the list of orders and can be marked as fulfilled. Fulfillment and printing of shipping labels can be done in a bulk or at the other level. If you mark multiple orders as fulfilled, a notification can be sent to the customer, or you can create shipping labels using one of the integrated shipping services such as Hermes in the UK. From this point, you can add the details of the carrier using and also a tracking number. If you click to notify the customer, they will get details of this shipment. So there you have it. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.